Hello student, how are you? I hope you were enjoying your summer vacations. So student, now your summer vacation is over. So now it's time to study. So today we will discuss about our 10th chapter articles of English grammar. So student, read these sentences. Firstly, I saw a bird. The bird was sitting in its nest guarding an egg. So student, A, B and. So the word A and B are articles. So student, articles. In English grammar, there are two types of article. First is indefinite articles, second is definite articles. So indefinite articles, A and it comes in the category of indefinite articles. So the is comes in the category of definite article. So we will more discuss about in articles in this chapter. Articles A and an. So A and mean one. A and an are placed before countable nouns in the singular number. Example, a boy, a bag, an egg, an ant. So we don't put a or an before uncountable noun. So give me a sugar. We cannot count the sugar, so we will not put a or an before uncountable noun. So student, you will think that we use a before y and an before egg. So why we use a before y? Why we not use an before y? So let's the reason and use a and an. Where we use a and where we use an. Student, let's see uses of a. So we use a before words beginning with consonant sound. You know very well. There are 26 alphabet in English grammar. There are 5 vowel A, E, I, O, U and rest of the 21 is consonant. So we use a before words beginning with a consonant sound. So example, a student, a batsman, a one-eyed dog. So let's see, it start with vowel O-N-E, but when we pronounce one, it's begin with W, with the consonant sound. So we will put up a before one-eyed dog. A utensil. So student, it start with vowel, but when we pronounce utensil, so it sound will be consonant sound. So it start with the consonant sound. Utensil. So we put up a before utensil. So student, uses of an. We use an before a word beginning with vowel sound. The word which is begun with vowel sound, we will put up an before the word. For example, an apple, an eagle, an honorable man. Here, honorable is start with H, consonant. But when we pronounce honorable, so it pronounced with O, honorable. H is silent here. So when we pronounce honorable, it start with vowel sound. So we will put up an before honorable. Therefore, A is used with countable noun beginning with consonant sound, and an is used with countable noun with starting with vowel sound. Article the. We use a or an when we mean any person or thing. They is used when we mean a particular person or thing. Example, give me a pen. So here we are talking about any pen. So we will use a article. Give me the pen laying on the table. So here we are talking about a particular pen which is laying on the table. So we use the here before pen. Remember, for any person or thing we use a or an. For a particular person or thing we use the. Then let's us learn something more about a, an or the. A or an is used for speaking of a person, thing for the first time. The is used when we speak of them afterward. For example, a man came to our school. The man wanted to meet our principal. So we use a before man in a first sentence because here he could be any man. But in second sentence, the man wanted to meet our principal. So we use the before man in second sentence because here we are talking about a particular man which is came to our school and wanted to meet our principal. When the speaker and the listener know which person or thing is being talked about, then we use the article. For example, the television is switched on. So here it is clear that which television we are talking about. So the television, we use the before this television because here it is clear which television we are talking about. So the window and the bedroom is broken. So the window and the bedroom. We are using the before window and the before bedroom because here we are clear that we are talking about a particular window and the particular bedroom. So we use the before this. Of the this is used with the name of rivers, seas, ocean, mountain, ranges. For example, the Godavari, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. So there is used with the name of well-known building. For example, the India Gate, Taj Mahal and all. It is used with the name of holy books, newspaper, trains, ships, aeroplanes. So for example, Gita, the Quran, the Times of India, the Rajdhani Express, the Orient Express. So this is also used with superlative degrees. For example, the highest peak, this is superlative degree. So we use the highest peak, the most beautiful. So students, we use the in such phrases as the first, the last, the next, the only. For example, he is the only son. That was the last time we met. So the is not used with the following. We will not use the with proper noun. For example, the Sonali Sharma, it is not correct. The India, it is also not correct. With uncountable noun. The sugar, the iron, the honesty and the innocence. But we use the with such nouns when they are made particular. For example, please give me sugar. So here we will not use any article because here the sugar is not particular. But when we write this example, for example, please pass me the sugar in the jar. So we are talking about the special sugar, particular sugar which is kept in the jar. So we will use the in this case. So students, let's see quick revision of this chapter. So in this video we have learned about articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. So a and an is come in the category of indefinite article. So the is come in the category of definite article. So student, a come before countable in the singular number beginning with a consonant sound and come before countable in the singular number beginning with vowel sound. They comes before particular persons and things like moon, sky, rivers, holy books, trains, mountains, and all. So student, I hope you understood the video perfectly. So do the work properly. Thank you.